Today we're going to talk about this UV gel nail curing lamp. I bought this to replace another lamp that I had, and I searched long and hard on Amazon, reading tons of reviews to pick this one out. First of all, it does have a cute little handle, which is fine. It is just cheap plastic, which is fine. I just need the lights to work in there. It does have all these settings for different times to cure your nails. So if you want it for 99 seconds, you can set it for that. 60 seconds, you can set it for that, 30, 10, just depending. And then it automatically shuts off after the time is up. I will say that if you do put it on the 99 seconds, it is a lower light. And I'm assuming that's some kind of safety feature. I don't really know. I never use 99 seconds. I usually use the 60-second one. Now, here is the bad part of this lamp. When I first got it home, it did not cure my nails. And I was really perplexed by it. It didn't make any sense as to why I could not get it. There's all the lights to cure my nails. And the truth is, I just wasn't curing it long enough. It does take longer than the nail lamp I had previously. So, and it actually takes longer than the recommended settings on the nail polish I buy. I always use the same nail polish. It's the same brand. I just buy different colors and the same top and base coat. So it just is not quite as strong as other ones that I have, but it does cure it. Like I said, all you do is you stick your hand in, the lamp turns on, it cures your nails for whatever time, and it does work. But if you do get it home and think, this is not curing, it is just that you aren't doing it long enough. I usually just pop them in for another 30 seconds, and they are good to go. I do like this lamp, and I would recommend it if you are looking for something to cure your gel nails, but just be prepared to know it may not do exactly as a prior lamp if you're like me and had bought one like 10 years ago.